Hey guys, I got the hiccups. I can't hit this entire pan is making me. I ate too much water. I ate too much. I ate too much. I eat it and drink it fast. Okay, my hiccups. Okay. Dude. To get rid of hiccups. I don't know how to get rid of hiccups. Okay. Use water. Use water. That'll get rid of hiccups. Alright. Oh my god. Just get the hiccups. Okay. Get the hiccups. Dude, yes, I got the hiccup. You got catch. I ate too much. I ate too fast and drank too fast. That gives me the hiccups. Okay, I gotta get rid of hiccups. Okay, bye guys.